And welcome back. Just a few clouds out there right now, 75 degrees. I walked outside and I thought, gosh, it's warm. So I'm either really out of shape or it's warm. I think there's probably a little of both going on there. Taking a look at the rest of your temperatures across the northern portion of the state. We had a cold front come through and that dropped us down counties to the northeast or west rather, but you can see we're still pretty warm. Now we're not going to get much warmer than this. That cool air is going to affect us as well, but this is a very weak front. So our high today right around 80 degrees, still in the 80s, possibly upper 70s. I still think we're going to hit 80 today, and that's still about 15 degrees warmer than where we should be around this time of year. 24-hour temperature change, you can see areas like Breckenridge 13 degrees cooler than they were around this time yesterday, but we're kind of where we were at yesterday. It's just not going to get quite as warm. All right, the forecasted high temperature, so you can see even areas south of us, Waxahachie in the 80s, counties to our north, Collin County will be in the low 80s as well. So we're still, as I mentioned before, we're going to be warm, but cooler days are ahead, I promise, as early as this weekend. Those dew points are going to slowly drop. This is a look at 11 o'clock tonight. So tomorrow, when you wake up, the air is going to feel a little more crisp. Just taking a look at what happened over the last several hours, we had the storm system that moved through, and it affected our far eastern counties, so areas basically just east of DFW, getting that rain, a little bit of that rain. It was just right on the fringes of our viewing area. It moved out relatively quickly, and we are possibly looking at maybe a shower or two tonight, but the big day for rain would be on Thursday. That is when we have the greatest risk as well as severe weather. So that system already heading into Louisiana, and really as far as a Lone Star State, that was the biggest activity that we had so far this morning. And that was the portion that was really under the risk for severe weather, the lowest risk at that. And that has already again passed. So what we're dealing with right now across the Lone Star State, Amarillo, 53 degrees, already 79 in Houston, warming right up across Texas, going back to those rain chances. So again, tonight, maybe a possible shower or two. It's going to be one of those pop-up situations. We're going to watch it closely for you and keep you updated. And then tomorrow, not a lot of cloud cover during the day, but Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when this system really moves in. And you're going to be waking up to cloudy skies on Thursday. And then again, 60% chance for showers. That's what you're dealing with. And I think even Friday morning, you could have some pretty strong storms as well. So that front, that system moves through, and then we're kind of done with the rain, at least for the weekend. So again, Thursday being the greatest day, we could potentially see severe weather. Tonight, lows dropping down to the low 50s. And then as we look at your 14-day forecast, again, in the low 40s by the weekend. Don't forget to set those clocks. Got to spring forward.